What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. The breakout is here. Exciting times in the market. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 155. We're down about 3.78% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 10.25 billion, 24-hour volume, 880 million. Nice little increase in volume here. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, just ignore the shouting behind me. I'm in a different place for today just so I have internet connection, and it's an apartment building. There's people on each side. I think the walls are kind of thin. You can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. You can grab one of those incredible Visa cards for awesome benefits. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we have a bit of a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, guys, but I have a strong feeling, as I'm sure many of you do, that we're going to break out to the upside here. So if you see it start to come up and break this level of resistance, your target is up at 168. Would also bring us back above the golden ratio, which is a beautiful sign of continuation. We have our price target from our falling wedge. It's taking us quite a while to get there, but it's up at $1.80 for Matic. So we're going to jump into the daily time frame. So if we look at the daily here, we also have a bit of a bull flag. So here's your level of resistance. Here's your level of support. So this could be a massive breakout here. Measure your flagpole and could bring Matic up. Let's give it a little price target here. Up to about $2.06. And we're just about to break this level of resistance as well. So keep an eye on that pattern on the daily. We're going to quickly pop over to Ethereum, guys. We've broken out of our inverse head and shoulders and we're heading up towards our target. We had a little bit, I'm just going to open this one up as well. We had a little bit of a symmetrical triangle here. As you can see here, we broke out. Looks like the target may have already been met here. Yeah, so target's already been met. So that was a nice little trade opportunity of about 5% here for Ethereum. We're getting closer and closer to our all-time high. And this pattern would set a new all-time high all the way up at 4619. And I'll give you your future price targets here for Ethereum, the 1.272. which is up at 5687. We're going to put in the 1.618, which is basically 8K if I move this up a little bit. And we have the 1.618 all the way up at 8K for Ethereum. So it looks like over the next week, we're going to break our all-time high, which is an extremely exciting, guys. I'd be screaming and yelling, but I want to be thoughtful of the neighbors right now, so I'm trying to keep it low-key. There's also a much larger pattern at play, guys. We have a cup and we have a handle. So here's your neckline. This is a little bit low. As you can see here, cup, handle. So you measure from the bottom of your little cup here. Always reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast, the cup and the handle. And would bring you really close to the 1.414. So the neckline's already been broken, guys. Beautiful trade opportunity. Let's look at this breakout here of 60% basically for Ethereum. The next couple months are going to be extremely explosive in my opinion. So strap in for the ride because we're starting to take off here. So if you see us come up and hit a little bit of resistance here at the golden ratio, just keep an eye on the EMAs on the 4-hour. We'll most likely find support along the EMAs, or we'll just break right through 153. We'll head up to 168, and then you have your next target here at 180, the target from your falling wedge for Matic. I will drop in this level of support. I don't think we're going to come back down here, but just in case we were to see a harsh sell-off, maybe all the whales decide to dump the price of Bitcoin at the same time. But I doubt it, guys. A lot of FOMO is going to come into the market, so we should see some bit of continuation here. But we do have a strong level of support down at about 139 for Matic, previous swing high. All right, guys, so quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, breakouts. We're talking all things crypto. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. Smash that like button. Check out crypto.com. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.